So it's the second day on the ship. It's in the morning right now, getting ready. We got breakfast delivered to the room because we're about to enter the port at 8 and it's currently, what time is it? It's currently 7:14 a.m. So just gonna eat quickly. What do we have for breakfast? What'd you get? What is in this foil thing?
I think it's my sandwich,
Oh, your egg muffin. Yeah, so we got egg muffin. Got
the English muffin.
I don't know, man. We got 2 platter of fruits. Oh, shit, there's papaya in here. You're eating that.
That helps you go to the bathroom.
Okay. And then we got some light croissant and
Bread roll.
what the hell? It's just a bread roll.
Yeah.
With no butter or anything. Okay.
You have to check it off.
Butter?
Yeah, there's an option to check off with what sauce, not sauce, but like if you want jam or I don't know.
What the heady? Okay, anyway, and then we got what juice? We got apple juice, and then we got orange juice. We got some cereal, and then we got some milk.
Today is our second day on the cruise. We have docked at Messina, Sicily, and we just got off the train because we are visiting Taormina. Fun fact, it was where White Lotus was filmed. I don't watch White Lotus, but that's what I heard. Oh, now we are waiting for either a bus or a taxi. Oh, but there's a lot of people. What time is it right now? I think we got up at 6:30 and 12. How you feeling? How you feeling?
I want to drive.
Okay.
Yeah, it's I don't drive crazy, but I clap back. So
I am feeling exhausted. I thought I would catch up on my sleep last night, but then slept at 12 and had to wake up at 6. So maybe tonight we'll be able to do that. We just got off the bus and now we are headed to this viewing point. This is a very nice scenic walk.
I know, very shaded.
Yeah, very peaceful.
We're not dying. We're finally sitting down at a restaurant in Sicily, Taormina, and we had to wait like 30 minutes for this one. So the food better be worth it.
There's so many people in line.
Yeah, there's still so many people in line. Actually, it's getting better now, but it's also because lunchtime is also going on. Like, it's also getting past lunchtime, so we'll see. But we got the mozzarella, so this better be good. Yeah, technically salad, but there's no mozzarella in it, so hopefully it's good. Yeah, we finally got our food. I got the steak, she got lasagna, got the lamb, and my dad got octopus.
day 3 of our cruise, and this is our first time vlogging today, and it's almost dinner time. We forgot to vlog because we were busy having too much fun, right?
Today was sea day, so that's why.
Yeah, we woke up late because we wanted to catch up on some sleep. I think we woke up around like 10. We chilled by the pool, ate some burgers and fries, and then went to the gym.
Yep, we skipped breakfast because, not by choice, but because all the breakfast was done. But it's okay. We ate a heavier lunch.
Yeah, and now it's formal night, so this is what we're wearing to dinner. I just have a long black dress on with heels, and he's just wearing a linen shirt and linen pants.
Yep.
Wow.
And chilling. And then we have a show tonight. So let's record some stuff today for the rest of the day, and then hopefully we can record more on the next sea day.
Yep.
Yo, we took a nap though and we almost overslept.
Yeah, but we didn't do much today, just mostly chilled.
Chilling. Big chilling. What are you eating?
Bread and butter.
Bread and butter. Honestly, we have a pretty nice view of the ocean so far. If it'll focus. Oh yeah. Ship's moving right now. Yeah, but I didn't bring a rush for it. Anyway, it's a nice view. Okay, so we just got our starters. I got the jumbo shrimp. We all got the jumbo shrimp except Miss Helen over here. She needs her green because she hasn't been eating her green. So yeah, let's go with Marvin. Apparently, not many people know what Marvin means, but now we got our main. We got the same thing, I think. My mom, my dad got the fish over there. Everyone's just on their phone taking pictures, including me.
Anish was still hungry, so he ordered a second main. He got the duck. Is it good?
Let me try this. Yo, dessert time, and our waiter, yo, he blessed up the whole table. So we ordered this, the creme brulee, and my parents got the strawberry one. But yo, because I ordered a second main, like, he just brought so many other desserts for us to try. What a real G Alexander is. Yup. Okay, let's get eating. Alright, so a quick fire round. Right now, we're lining up to take formal pictures. We only have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left to record, so yeah, no, we're just gonna do that right now. Show around right now what it looks like. Yeah, we're just gonna take the pictures and see if they turn out good, and if they turn out good, then we'll buy them.